here. Let's see if we can get a shot of this rabbit. He ain't already got a bite on it, passed on us. He turned right here at the road. Alright, find him in there. Where'd he go? He turned back on himself right there. He crossed back down here. That rabbit ain't got across this road yet. I think he's went across this other trail.
Find him in there.
Alright, find him in here. There he is right there. Way to go, Beth. Alright, I'm going to shut it off when I come back this way, guys. Alright, he's coming to the road. There he goes, there's a rabbit right here. Here. Cross right about where that little green patch on the right is right there. He made a little turn, on a little crook out there before he come to the road. I think it's a different rabbit, boys.
Well, they picked up another.
Yeah. I think it's a different rabbit kicked across right there. Still going on. Pushing this to the road here. Alright. Alright, find him. Find him here. Alright, find him in there. Where'd he go? There we go. Come on. Hey, he didn't come across here, I don't think. I'm going to cut it off till they get him straight. Oh, never mind. There you go. Alright, get to him in there, Kyle. Could have head back to us, but I got back in here with them. And this old thick briars in here, and a whole honeysuckle. Let's see if I can get him out of here. Hey, we seen him a while ago. He's about a 3/4 grown rabbit. So let's see if we can get him moving out of here. Get around here, kind of in front of him. Come on, Blue. Get in there with them. Let's go. There they go. Alright, I'm going to turn it off when they come back this way. They can get out of here. Catch back up to them. They got him straightened out and going on, so let's see what we can do with him now. This corner's been running so much this morning. We done been out here over 2 hours in this corner this morning. Let's see what they can do now. Been trying to move them, but I hate to take them off the rabbit move them, so let's just see. Blue, that's right. Oh, Blue showed them where that one was at. He's gone right down here. That's what you call walking right up on the trail, ain't it? Alright, I'm gonna cut it off a minute and get back in front. Alright, fellas, we just moved them, we cut them loose, and we're gonna see if we can't get up another rabbit. We've run 2 so far this morning, so we've been out here, I guess about 2.5 hours now, so we'll see what we can get done. That last spot just had got real scented up, and so we caught them up and moved them over to another spot, and so we're gonna try to get another one going. I'll cut it back on in a minute. Alright, we trailing here. Let's see if we can get a jump. We ain't got the jump yet. Let's see if we can get a jump here. Getting hotter.
Come on, peanuts, boy!
Alright, I think you might have jumped him. I believe I got him jumped. Go, Daisy girl. them jets showing them the way. Yeah. Alright, where'd he go? Where are you at? They push him back to us. Boy, it's sounding good, ain't it?
Yeah.
Coming up here. Let's see.
Run a big circle.
Yep, he pulled in a little circle.
Yeah, he's running outside that bush there.
Come on, straighten him out. He turned on him right out there.
Find him.
Yeah, Bill, come on. Bring him on. Overrun it. Back up. There you go, boss. There you go, boss.
That was awesome. Tell me you got all that on video.
Yeah, I did. Alright, we'll cut it back on in just a second. They push him to the road here. I think the rabbit thing got by on us. That was. There you go, Daisy. Way to show them. Turn them back. So go, boss. We may not. Let's not go on this road. Let's see.
Find him, Bill.
Yep, he must got by before we got down here.
Find him.
Find him here.
Atta girl, Bill.